Question number 10, November 2017. M is the center of the circle, SVQR, having equal chords SV and QR. And remember, once they say equal chords, remember the angles that are subtended at the center, they are equal. And if there are angles that are subtended by equal chords at the circumference, they are also equal. Okay, so already you must have taken note that angle M1 is equal to angle M2. Okay, RP and QP are tangents. These are tangents. Remember, tangents from an external point, they are equal. So that brings in an isosceles triangle. That would mean this angle, which is Q2, will be equal to angle R2. Alright, so take note of that. And then they've also given us that the angle RPQ is 70 degrees. 70 degrees, that means we can work from that angle going inside the circle. Alright, then the first question, 10.1, calculate the size of angle R2. Where is angle R2? Is here. We have already said that tangents from a point outside the circle, they are equal. That means we are saying RP is equal to PQ. These are tangents. Tangents from an external point. Alright, so which brings us to say angle R2 is equal to angle Q2. These are angles opposite equal sides. So if this one is equal to this one, that means we can use the third angle to find the size of angle R2. So we're saying therefore angle R2 will be equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. The difference we divide it by 2 because these are sharing the spoils that are left by this from 180. So this is 110 degrees divided by 2, which will give us 55 degrees. And the reason here will be sum of angles in triangle. That is 10.1. 10.2. Calculate the size of angle Q1. Now, we know the relationship 10.2. We know the relationship between a line from the center, which is a radius, and the tangent. Where they have contact, they make a 90-degree angle. So if we are saying Q2 is 55 degrees, then it's easy for us to get angle Q1. So we are simply saying angle Q1 plus angle Q2 should give us 90 degrees. And our reason is tan is perpendicular to radius, or radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So we are saying, therefore, Q1 is equal to 90 degrees minus 55 degrees. And that would give us 35 degrees. And then moving on, we need the angle M2. We have already said M2 is equal to M1. So since the angles are on the side of M1, we have to calculate M1 first. So we know that angle Q1 is 35 degrees. And we also know that angle R1 is 35 degrees because MQ and MR, they are both the radius to that circle. So we are saying on 10.3, angle R1 is equal to Q1, let's put it that way, angle Q1, which is 35 degrees, angles opposite equal sides. Therefore, angle M1 will be equal to 180 degrees minus 35 degrees plus 35 degrees, which will basically give us 110 degrees. And every statement must have a reason. Sum of angles in triangle. Therefore, angle M2 will be equal to angle M1, which is 110 degrees. The reason there, these are angles subtended by equal chords. Angles subtended by equal chords. So that is it for 9 marks. So quick. Let's take a small break and proceed on to question 11.